student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is the layer of the earth. Lesson 5, class 5 in social study book. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start now. Give one word answer. First, what is the innermost part of the earth called? The core. Second, how many layers are there in our atmosphere? 5 layers. Third, in which layer do aeroplanes fly? The stratosphere. 4, which sphere plays an important role in regulating earth temperature and climate? Atmosphere. Fill in the blanks. First, the ozone layer protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. Second, our environment is very important for the existence of life on earth. Third, atmosphere is made up of gases, water vapor and solid particles. 4. Lithosphere consists of the crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle. 5. We have been able to discover 1.3 million species till date. B. Circle the correct option. First, exosphere. Second, lithosphere. Third, gas. 4, 5, biosphere. Okay, student. I will solve some question in book. After that question answer, I will solve in notebook. Layer of the earth. First, answer the following question in short. First, mention the three parts of the earth. The three layers of earth are crust, mantle, core. Second, what is the basic component of biosphere? Answer, basic components of biosphere like food, water, air, shelter and suitable temperature to all living beings. Third, what is environment? Answer, everything around is our. It consists of living and non-living elements. 4. List the realms of the earth. There are 4 realms of the earth: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. D. Answer the following questions in details. First, explain the features of the atmosphere. Answer. Features of the atmosphere are: first, it is the layer where the various gases which are essential for life exist. Second, our atmosphere observes the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Third, our atmosphere is composed of many types of gases. 4. Carbon dioxide into oxygen, giving the present composition to our atmosphere. Second, how has biosphere brought about changes in the other two spheres? Answer, the spheres interact with each other and a change in one area can cause a change in another plant biosphere, draw water, hydrosphere and nutrients from the soil and release water vapor into the atmosphere. The biosphere contains all the planet's living things. Third, how was oxygen created in the atmosphere? Answer, tiny organism known as cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. These microbes conduct photosynthesis using sunshine, water and carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrate and oxygen was first produced somewhere around 2.7 billion to 2.8 billion years ago. 19. Think and answer. First, what has been most important contribution of the biosphere in making the earth unique planet? Answer. Earth has many things going for it that other plants just don't have. Second, what are the latest steps taken by our government to conserve the environment? Answer. Two steps that the government has taken to conserve plants and animals. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.